arrangement in a container which has got two mouths, and the container has got two colors, and it has got some line design down, and it seems to be a really interesting container. Either you use both the mouth and put the arrangement, put the material, or you can use just one mouth to put the material and make the arrangement. Now look around is a theme what I am trying to follow, because what we try to use in ikebana is a seasonal material, and looking around you can see what is growing right now in the season and what you can pick it up to use in your arrangement. This is a free expression, and at this time I got this material which is copper pot, seed pot, which is abundance growing all around Mumbai, and with that the flower which I am using is a dark yellow round bush kind of flower. It's a cassia tree flower. So this is also right now abundantly growing in the Bombay city. I am trying to present what is all around us to make a arrangement. That's my main purpose of making the look around videos. Now this is a line material which I can place it straight also, or we can go slanting. So today I will try to make the arrangement placing them on a slant. I am using both the mouth. So it is going on a contrasting way, one on the left side and one on the right side. I have got one leaf which I have folded inward, showing the lines. Basically I want to show the beautiful line of this leaf, and it is almost very mature leaf with a nice yellow color. So I think it will go very well with this, and I want to show basically the line formation of this. So here I am giving a lot of importance to that line formation. So emphasizing this was, I am trying to take this lines. It's a very simple arrangement with a very little material, which is easily you can pick up in a lockdown time also. As I said, I am going to use cassia flower, and which is again yellow, which goes with the leaf flower, with the leaf color, and I am going to place it here. Now one more thing I have to be careful is that it should go, the stem should reach in the water, because the water level is here. Water cannot come up, so the stem is supposed to be big enough to go into the water. There is nothing in the container. Is balancing on its own. As we know that each material has got its individual beauty, we should try to enhance the beauty and not make it into a Now here I am not going to add the flowers, I will add the copper cord only. Just to give little brown color on this, copper color on this. So basically, as I said, it's a look around what you are getting it. Just try to make some free arrangement. You express your thoughts, your feelings with this. Like we are in Bombay right now, lockdown is opening up and certain things will open up and then we will have a freedom to move. So something has opened up on both the sides. There is a hope that everything will be alright and we will start our normal life soon. So look around and get inspired with whatever material you are getting to work. So today's material are very few, 3 kinds of material. Seed pod of copper pot tree, cassia flower, and one leaf which I have rolled up and it is quite mature. So with the yellow lines, which I am trying to show the beauty of that matured leaf also. Hope this will give you little inspiration, especially to my students who are staying in Bombay. Just look for this material and work out some nice things.